sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 7th of March. I'm James Spann. Thankfully, severe weather, not a problem for Alabama today, but the weather stays active this week, and then a shot of very cold air blows in here over the upcoming weekend for a big late season freeze. Get ready for that. Here we go. This is the upper air look, and as expected, the main dynamic support far north of Alabama, which meant severe storms, just really a no-show down here today. There's the visible satellite view, mostly cloudy across the state, although some locations have some sun. That was the radar composite, a little after 2 o'clock. Band of showers and a few thunderstorms southeast of Birmingham, scattered storms over South Alabama, but again with weak dynamic support. Severe weather just not a problem for Alabama today. Temperatures behind the front are falling. We've got 50s now for Haleyville and Cullman. Still 75 in Alexander City, and you can see the contrast with the regional view. Dothan, Alabama, 83. Memphis, Tennessee, at 48. And the northern half of the state will be in that cooler air tonight and tomorrow. There's the watch warning map. Got some scattered winter weather issues up north. Wind advisories in effect from eastern Tennessee to parts of New York and Massachusetts. Here's the severe weather threat for the rest of today and tonight. Got the standard slight risk from Atlanta to near Philadelphia. For Alabama, just a very low-end marginal risk for the rest of this evening in advance of the front. But again, for all practical purposes, severe weather should not be a problem for our state for the rest of today or tonight. Now, tomorrow, SPC has introduced a low-end marginal risk. That's level 1 out of 5 for the extreme southwestern corner of the state. Mobile and Baldwin County, some of the adjacent counties, for the chance of maybe some strong wind gusts near that stall front. Day 3, which is Wednesday, maybe some thunder, but no severe weather expected across the Deep South. We'll be in a fairly stable air mass. And we'll jump ahead to Day 5. This is Friday. No severe weather expected. We'll be watching that next cold front at the end of the week. But for now, the predictability is simply too low, as the graphic states. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The QPF, heaviest rain across the country, right here in the southeast United States. This is suggesting parts of southeast Alabama could see 4 inches of rain down around Dothan, Enterprise, Geneva. For the rest of the state, amounts between 2 and 3 inches between now and Monday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Still got troughing west of the state and a southwest flow aloft, which means the front will be stalling out somewhere across South Alabama tonight. And then a wave forms on the front. So tomorrow we'll begin to see rain moving back in by mid to late afternoon. And that rain should be fairly widespread tomorrow night. Otherwise, tomorrow, cloudy, cool, highs in the 50s. This is Wednesday morning at 6 o'clock. Much of the state will be in rain at that point. And then by 3 o'clock Wednesday afternoon, the better chance of rain shifting back into South Alabama. So for the northern half of the state, the next good round of rain will be late tomorrow night, and Wednesday morning. Wednesday's high will be in the upper 50s. The sky will stay cloudy. Thursday, most of the state dry. A lot of clouds around. Highs back in the 60s on Thursday. And this is Friday, so we have a cold front approaching with a very cold air mass coming down from the high plains. And again, this is Friday at 3. Let's go to Friday night at 9 o'clock. The GFS depicting a surface low near Anniston. And if this verifies, there's no severe weather for the northern part of the state, just rain with this feature. Friday should be in the 60s, but look at the snow falling Friday night for parts of western and middle Tennessee, north Mississippi, and Arkansas. How about that? This is after midnight Friday night, 3 a.m. Saturday. Evidence that we could see a changeover to light snow or snow flurries for about the northern third of the state, north of Interstate 20. Probably no impact with a setup like this. And then by Saturday, all the snow is gone, the rain is gone, and we'll have a clearing sky, but the day will be much, much colder. Our friends in the Tennessee Valley, Huntsville, the Shoals, Decatur, Scottsboro, you might stay in the 30s all day. Highs will be in the low 40s for places like Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden. But the sky will clear. And then by Sunday morning, the bottom could drop out. Light wind, a clear sky. We're expecting lows in most locations in the 20 to 28 degree range. And there might be a few colder pockets with upper teens early Sunday morning. So growers beware. The sky will be sunny on Sunday. The high will be in the 50s. And a week from today, Monday the 14th, the trough showing up on this run with a surface low that's south of Kansas City. And if this is right, we might see some rain Monday night or Tuesday morning of next week, but we don't have good consistency in this idea. A pretty decent chunk of the week next week looks dry other than that feature. In fact, we'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday, March 17th. Upper low this over Arizona, and we are dry and pleasant. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, a little over 3 inches between now and the 22nd of March. And it's a roller coaster. The National Blend of Models suggesting we might see a high close to 70 on Friday, but then on Saturday for Birmingham, the high dropping to 43. And you can see Sunday morning for Birmingham, the low is 25. And that's in the city. A lot of the outlying areas will be colder than that. But then we bounce right back with temperatures back in the 70s by Thursday of next week, March 17th. And hot off the presses, brand new Cpc Outlook. This is for March 15th through the 21st. And if this verifies, Alabama will see temperatures very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.